7 amazing bioluminescent animals. Number 1. Glowworms.
Glowworms are insects that glow through a process called bioluminescence, in which a substance called luciferin breaks down when it combines with oxygen, thus producing light. Glowworms are actually not worms, but they are the larvae of an insect, called gnats, which look similar to mosquitoes.
Glowworms are carnivores, which prey on smaller insects, like moths and flies.
These glowworms trap their prey, using their webs covered in sticky mucus, which hang vertically down from walls and caves.
Glowworms are commonly found in caves, forests, and other damp areas of New Zealand. Number 2. Comb jellyfish.
Comb jellies have bell-shaped transparent bodies, with stripes of glittering vivid rainbow colors that take our breath away.
Unlike other species of jellyfish, comb jellies don't sting.
Instead, they use sticky cells called colloblasts to capture their prey. They glow to scare away predators. Comb jellies emit unique colors and produce stunning blue-green light each time they come in contact with something.
Number 3. Moon jellyfish. Moon jellies are bioluminescent, glowing in pink or blue, as a means to communicate with other jellies.
Moon jellyfish are found mainly in the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean.
Jellyfishes are spectacular, yet baffling creatures with no brain, blood, ears, eyes, heart, or backbone.
They have only one multi-purpose opening in their body, through which they eat and discard food.
Number 4. Fireflies.
Fireflies are actually beetles, which use their light called bioluminescence to light up their abdomen to communicate with other fireflies, especially with the females. The fireflies have a special organ under their abdomen that take in oxygen. The oxygen combines with a substance called luciferin that results in the formation of light with no heat produced.
The male firefly flashes its light every 6 seconds to attract the female. The female firefly responds by turning on its light.
Although their predators like birds, toads, and lizards can easily spot them, still they avoid eating the fireflies. This is because the fireflies secrete toxic, foul-smelling drops of blood that are poisonous to its predators. There are more than 2,000 species of fireflies, and not all of them can glow. The fireflies glow in different colors like green, yellow, orange, and blue. Even their eggs glow. Number 5. Glowing corals. The corals glow through fluorescent proteins that also act as a sunblock, protecting the corals from intense heat. A recent study from Tel Aviv University has concluded that the corals exhibit glowing colors to lure their prey, such as plankton.
Corals are well known for their stunning colors due to the presence of microscopic green algae. Number 6. Mexican scorpion. Scorpions produce a blue-green glow via fluorescence.
They take in ultraviolet rays and re-emits them in a way that is visible.
No one knows why scorpions glow.
It was suggested by some that the glow could warn predators or help scorpions to recognize each other or to lure their prey.
Number 7. Deep sea anemone. Like corals, sea anemones are animals that live in symbiosis with green algae, which gives them their color.
The anemone's tentacles glow when they are hit by blue light. With red light, they are switched off. Fluorescent, sea anemones glow under UV light as they contain special proteins that absorb UV light and re-emit at a longer, visible wavelength.
Fluorescence is often confused with bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the emitting of light involving a chemical reaction.
The light-emitting substance is a protein called luciferin, which emits light through a chemical reaction.
Whereas fluorescence doesn't involve chemical reaction. Instead, it re-emits the absorbed stimulating light in a way that is visible. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell button to get new video updates.